Programming shouldn't be boring. Let's play a Codingame's puzzle today. Hi, let's play and solve a puzzle titled Skynet Episode 2 by Codingame. I'm Anatol, and you are watching the good parts of the front-end development. If this is your first time here, you wanna learn front-end and JavaScript, start right now by subscribing and don't forget to turn on the subtitles. The story tells. The Skynet network is still active, although the resistance virus is present. Help the virus spread by cutting out Skynet's resources. The fate of humanity depends on you. In this puzzle, you first have to program a pathfinding algorithm. Then you compute the list of all possible actions and extrapolate future possibilities. You combine the two previous algorithms using complex data structure like a graph of nodes. I talked about graph data structure earlier in this video. Let's dive into the code. Read initial values. Define a find path function that implements Dijkstra's algorithm, an algorithm for finding the shortest paths between nodes in a graph. Write several helper functions. Now read virus coordinates and find the way. That's pretty easy, isn't it? Next time, let's have a look at supercomputer and greedy algorithm in JavaScript. My code is available on GitHub, documentation is available in the internet. Follow the links if you're eager to get more. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel and watch other episodes. Thanks for watching and dive deeper.